This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sandra Talaga. Location Location Bellamar at Beachwalk. This condo is on the second floor and offers 3 bedrooms 2 baths, low condo fees, new AC installed in 2019 in a fantastic location. Just minutes to the beaches and in walking distance to shops and restaurants. This gated community features a pool, spa, exercise room, clubhouse and is a pet-friendly community. Great condo for full-time residents or a great winter home. Come put your personal stamp on this condo. For more information, review the details below.